And this loneliness won't leave me alone. Such a drag to be on my own.
Alright, so box cover Dutty Berry here, and I have a young rising talent right about now, okay? So I'm attending the Guardian Group Awards ceremony, and they had a guest performance. And so I'm just like, who named Nolan? Who is Nolan that is there? I'm thinking it's probably somebody who is a mature person who have like 50 years in the game. It's a 7-year-old young man that came and he just like mashed up the place with his lovely voice. Now, a little birdie tell me that he have a role in a Bob Marley movie. So I don't know if everything's so true, but I'm going to have a conversation with him. So meet me after the break.
No, let me start across the place. Fear no one. Let them know you're a movie star. We're proud of you. Can I get a hug? I can see I'm a star. Yes.
Pull him.
Oh, okay. Fix it good, wait. No. You ready?
Nolan Collingnon, right? I'm guessing the name properly?
Yep.
Okay, so how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
I'm 9 years old. Do you believe that?
No.
Okay. What is life like as a 7-year-old?
It's really fun.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you have adults to take care of you. It's really fun.
Wow, love that part. The adults to take care of you, so you don't pay any rent. You don't buy none of the food for yourself.
Nope.
You don't buy your own games.
Nope.
Your own clothes.
Nope.
So you're just living for free.
Yep.
Wow, love that for you. High five. Love that for you. That's a good life. All right, so how would you describe yourself? Are you a singer, musician, or overall just a person with many talents?
I'm like a person with many talents because I do like singing, I do piano, I do tennis.
What? So you do the arts and you do sports as well? Whoa, list all of them. Like, what else is there? Like singing, piano, tennis. There's something else?
Yeah, there's football.
Wow. No, man.
I will be
All right, Nolan. All right. Here today, you sang, and you did 2 songs. Could you remind me of the names? It
One
was
Moment in Time and Many Rivers.
Many Rivers to Cross. Like, how you at 7 years old connect with Many Rivers to Cross? Because there's a point in the performance when you do like that part. Like, why you connecting like that? Like, how you do that with your voice?
Well, you do a fry, and like it's just like
It's a simple thing.
It's a simple thing. You just like go, just go down to your chest voice and like just come up like like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it and tell me how I do, right? I've been licked, washed up for years. How did I do? How do you rate me out of 10?
7.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much, Nolan. All right, so when did you start like singing? Like, tell me, how long?
2 years.
2 years, and are you loving it? Like, is it weird to go into like a room and see a bunch of people that you don't know just looking at you like, what is this guy going to do?
No, it's not weird at all.
Oh, wow. So you just have it locked, like you're confident.
I'm confident.
Whoa. Do you have friends like sing as well, that sing as well?
Well, my friends at school, they don't really know how to sing, but some of them, they actually play a little soccer.
Oh, okay. Do you dress yourself like when you're doing a performance?
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
like when I was at JCDC,
yeah.
I did wear a costume.
Oh, okay. That you picked out or that you wanted to wear?
No, someone made it for me.
Washed up for years, but I barely survived.
Right, so tell me a little bit about JCDC now. So you entered, like, what happened?
I entered JCDC. I was pretty nervous as well, but I was like, you know, once I do this, it's like just gonna be all over. I'm good.
Yeah.
So like I just entered there and I was like, okay, here it goes. I did it and it didn't feel so bad after all.
Awesome. Do you have any performances that you'd love to do like in the future? Anywhere in Jamaica that you'd say like, maybe like a Grand Gala? Maybe you'd like to perform for an artist like, you have any eyes on any space? Maybe like the Grammys and some big award show. Chris Brown is coming to Jamaica, you know, I don't know if you know Chris Brown, but he's a big pop artist. Maybe family can make you come up there for a performance. You'd be open to that? That would be the National Stadium, you know. That is over 30,000 people. That is where all of the big football matches are played in Jamaica. You think you could be going on that stage with so many people there? I think you could do it.
I did go at Jamaica's National Stadium.
What? You performed inside the National Stadium already? All right, I think we need to just finish this interview because clearly I'm not accomplishing anything with my life. When you're doing this at 7? No,
I was
man.
still 7 when I did it.
What? So you're just gonna make me feel bad right now?
No.
Wow, like you have all of these talents. Don't you can cook? Please tell me no. Don't think about it. Just say no. Just say no.
No.
Thank you. Wow, because you can't get any more talents right now because you're at 5 and I'm just at 1. Like I'm trying to catch up. All right. So you came here with your mommy now, and I want you to just tell me like how mommy helps you to do what you do.
She helps me to do my homework. She helps me like when I do piano. Sometimes when I do piano, I'm like a little nervous.
Yeah.
And like mom like a little encourages me a little bit
Yeah.
to like do it.
Yeah. So out of all of these talents, do you have a favorite? Like from like your favorite to your most favorite to like the least favorite. So you'd start off with which one would you say is the favorite of them all?
I would say.
Which one?
I would say singing.
Oh, singing is number 1.
Yep.
Okay, and then after singing, which one you going to put there? Is like piano, football?
Nope. Tennis.
Oh, tennis. Tennis. And then which one next?
Soccer.
Soccer. Which one's going to piano?
Yep. Piano's my least.
Oh. Okay. So no. Can you tell me like, is it true that you're in a movie now? Like on top of all of these things, like you're going to be in a movie? Is that right?
I'm gonna be in a movie. Well, it'll come up next year, but I did be in a movie.
Like, how did you get in a movie? You could have called me. Like, how? Like, I would love to be in a movie too. Like, how did you get into a movie? I want to know.
I didn't know yet that time.
Oh wow! But it seems like you have all of that connections. Like, you can call people right now. So, do you have somebody's number? Like, if I said, Nolan, I want to be in a movie now, you can call somebody and make it happen.
No.
Oh wow! Wow, Nolan is just like showing off for me right now. So, what is the movie that you're going to be in?
Bob Marley.
Never heard of him. Who's that? Is he a dancer or soccer player? I've
No.
never heard of him.
Bob Marley.
No, Bob Marley. It doesn't like.
Bob
Oh, the person that did the dance, like the Dirt Bongs.
Singing as well.
Oh, Bob Marley.
Yeah.
Like how Bob Marley, which song him sing? I don't know anything. You know Bob Marley? Is he like?
Yeah, me know Bob Marley.
Oh, you know Bob Marley. Oh, you and
Yeah.
him go to school.
No?
Well, you're going to be in a Bob Marley movie. I'm just being a hater right now, Nolan. I can't believe you're going to be in a movie. Is it
Yeah.
that? What is the character that you're going to be playing?
Young Bob.
No. No. Nope. So it means to me at 7 years old, you're singing, you're doing tennis, you're doing piano lessons, and all of these things, and you're going to be in a big international movie, and you're not even playing a person just walking in the background. You're going to be young Bob Marley.
Yep.
How does that feel?
Feels amazing.
That's incredible. That is incredible. So what was that process like for you?
It was amazing. I
Like-
liked it.
You say you like acting now.
I like acting.
Oh, so no, that is going to be a new talent.
Yep.
Honestly, like you are just amazing. Can I speak to your mommy now? You think I can get permission to rope in your mommy? All right, mommy, come in. I just want to hear from mommy right now because this is just excellence. I cannot understand what is going on right now where he is just like, can you imagine by the time we reach 10? I'm going to be like fighting to come to one of your concerts. Like,
I'm gonna have like 100 things to do.
oh, honestly, man. Honestly. Mommy, like how are you keeping up with such a gifted child?
I mean,
Yeah.
it's for me. I just enjoy the process, and I'm happy to just see him. And yeah, I take it one day at a time, really.
Okay.
As whatever opportunities comes up, we jump at it. And
Yeah.
outside of that, I'm just happy that I'm able to foster,
Yeah.
you know, and nurture whatever talent arises.
At what moments did you recognize that this young man right here is going to be destined to just be somebody special? Was he like 1 year old? Like, when is the first time you heard him sing or something and said,
I think that's a tricky question because, like most parents, everybody really, you know, believe in their child, and everybody think that their child is special.
yeah. So who you feel him get all of this talent from, mommy or daddy?
Regarding the talent,
Yeah, who do you feel like? It's like, yeah, man, this is because of my genes.
I think maybe a mix of both
Oh,
because
mix of
I'm in
both, yeah.
entertainment. That is in
Oh,
entertainment.
yeah.
So, but I'm not a singer, so it's really.
Have you ever heard
interesting.
mommy try to sing?
Yeah.
How good is she?
Be nice.
She made up a song.
Oh, okay. So she dabbles a little bit. Okay, but you're a better singer than mommy.
By far.
Well, Mom
Yes.
is not a singer. I am so a singer, and my vocal coach is really a singer.
Oh, okay. Awesome. All right, so tell me about like how that Bob Marley movie, like how that came about, like how.
So I would have seen the audition. Well, they had made a post on Instagram, and you know they wanted to see if there were any roles. Well, I think there were multiple roles listed.
Yeah.
And the young Bob had an age group attached to it. So I said,
Yes.
okay, let me just try. And yeah, that's how it started.
So he went in, and I guess like all of them, they just liked him.
Well, yeah. I mean, the process was really authentic. He went in to audition.
You had to sing a Bob Marley song?
They did ask him to sing, actually.
Wow.
He
I guess you nailed it.
I guess he did.
Oh, that is honestly brilliant.
Yeah.
Do you have anything else like planned for him? Like you're watching him now, realizing that he's such a gifted child. You have other plans that you say, okay, maybe I want to put him in this space for him to discover other talent.
No, not necessarily. For me, as I said, it's just taking it day by day. Since he seems to enjoy the process right
Yes.
now, I just want to nurture it. So he does vocal classes,
Yeah.
he does piano classes, and he does tennis classes. So he has a very vigorous schedule. I
Yeah.
think that's probably the hardest part.
Yeah.
Managing it, getting everything done, going to it, you know, these classes, and just put him in the space, and to balance with school academically, of course. So yeah, outside of that, we just play it by ear.
Yeah.
We don't necessarily have a target. That's not what it's about. It's just for him to work on his skill, work on his craft, and if that's what he wants to continue to do, then I'm here for it.
You're currently on social media and stuff, like if people just want to see him sing, perform and stuff, or where can they reach out?
So everything in terms of just what is coming up as well is still fairly new. So it does have a social media, but there's not much singing content on it. So yeah.
So is that going to change soon?
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
No, especially ahead of that movie. Like, allow his presence to be there some more, man. 'Cause I'm sure people would love to. And he's very engaging. Like, he has a lot of energy and stuff, and he could potentially take over my job too. You could be a host. You think you could be a host?
He's quite bubbly.
Okay, good. Woo.
You stay to your job.
Okay. And maybe well, no, I won't try the singing. I think I'd leave the singing. But maybe.
You should.
But, oh wow! But maybe if you want like a backup dancer, me and mommy could do that. Like when you're performing,
Yeah,
we could do like.
yeah.
Could you say you do dance, right? So you
Yeah.
could teach me some stuff.
I could.
Yeah. So
A
see
little
there.
bit.
So he'll singing like "One Love," and I'm having the flag right there. What do you think about that, Nolan? It could be a vibe.
I will see, right?
Wow, Nolan wants to just be on the stage by himself. All right. So before I go, I'm going to give a game that's called like favorites. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so I ask you something, you just say what's your favorite, okay? Favorite food,
Pizza.
favorite song,
Many Rivers.
okay. Favorite game to play,
Mario Bros.
favorite sport,
Tennis.
favorite gift that you've received.
Brio.
Oh, okay. Your favorite fruit.
Banana.
Okay. Favorite movie.
The one that's gonna come out.
Oh, wow, perfect answer. That is it. No, man, he's getting the training. This is you just had that answer like off the.
You surprised me.
No, honestly, this is a star. I am literally like, honestly, they send Disney kids to get this type of training and like PR training, and the fact that he came up with that off the cuff,
I know, right?
brilliant.
I was wondering what the response was gonna be because we like to watch Sound of Music.
Yeah. That's an amazing answer, like honestly. So right now, Nolan, I want you to just, you know some French as well, right?
Yeah.
Can you say something in French for me?
Bonjour.
Bonjour, ça va?
Ça va bilut.
Oh, comment allez-vous?
Je sais pas comment tu dis.
Oh wow, that's it. You passed my pay grade now. So before I close now, I just want you to jump in my job for a bit, right? So I'm going to give you the mic and you're going to basically say, "Hi, I'm Nolan," and give your full name. I'm a musician and you're watching The Dutty Berry Show. So my channel is The Dutty Berry Show. That's the name of my YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber. This is my work. So I just want you to say, "Hi guys, my name is Nolan XXX. I'm a singer, performer, and you're watching The Dutty Berry Show. And I'm going to see if you could potentially take over my job." So you got that? Yeah, show, Dutty Berry Show. Yeah, take up the challenge.
Hi, my name is Nolan Collingnon. I like to sing. I'm a musician, and now you're watching The Dutty Berry Show.
Oh wow, it's a box cover now. That's my saying. Try saying. Can't say box cover?
Box cover.
That is it. Interview done. Thank you so much here. Yeah man, big up yourself man. You're going to be a star. Yes.
This Dover rock across. I gotta get over. Yes, I will.
Right. Superstar.